Oh, let us stay. I asked many times. That's too easy. Again. Well, go on some kind of hunt to some kind of nutritious fruits and other stuff too. Yoshi's been sniffing and eating lots of fruits too. Where are nerve? Some of them don't even really jump out of the bush to begin with. Well, let me try this. That was that simple. Wait, right there. Where are you? Please stand. That one. Wow, one is here now. What? If you turn doing this again, how do you feel welcome over that? Not welcome. That Lily is so strong. I don't know why she did this so much. Hey, music. Where are you going now? Oh, too bad. I lost one. Woohoo! Where my fellow Yoshis have gone to? Oh, this is too much. I lost Yoshi. This is too much for some reason too. You always lose like that every single time. That's not funny. Oh, how should he think it's not funny? Ooh, I like these colors. She can do it. She can do it. She can do it. Not so fast, Clover. So long, Packers. Letting Mario have a good night's sleep. Always dream. In general. That's starting to get annoying. But I like the moves for some reason. Okay. This is too much. Get in there. Okay. Twinkies, too annoying to me. Oh, really? What'd you get? Uh-oh. Oh, God. Yes. Too late. Why? I'm not giving you that. So leave it alone. Too late. I took it off. We need to take more down. Oh, no, you don't. That was easy. Why? I don't understand. What the heck? Bye-bye, music. Uh-oh. Woo! You did it! Oh, no. Music! Why does it sound so funny? Oh, no! Whoa! Oh, no. Oh, no, not again! You failed. Stop laughing, audience. This is no funny. Yoshi did not find it funny. Oh, wait. Oh, man. First of all, it was on Monday. Now it's like Wednesday. Now this week is going so fast. I like that. Oh, no. Oh, come on. This effort wasn't mine. Oh, no. Back, 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 back. Oh, Ruffle Dash is still here. Oh. Oh, I left it. Like that. Oops. I destroyed it. Oh, I didn't mean to. I'm sorry. It was by accident, I swear, and I didn't mean to press that button again. It's dangerous to touch that button. Oh, no, you shouldn't. You shouldn't press that button. Anyways, look at this entire list. Credits. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I understand you see something wrong, but the game is absolutely working. The game's absolutely working perfectly. Wow, look at the credits. Alpaca player. I destroyed it. Sorry that I destroyed the game. Sorry that I destroyed the game. Why? I just said I didn't mean to destroy the game. Why did you destroy it? Oh, I did not destroy it. I must have pressed something wrong. I'm not supposed to. Why? Why do I need to generate screenshots of what? This game. And any other emulators can do that, but I've never seen an error of it before for not generating it. Right. Boo! Player stains! Whoa. Insult me? Whoa, insult me again? I didn't know. Yeah, Boris got reindeer and you took it from the North Pole. Without asking Santa, you should borrow a reindeer or not. What? Why? Why did you took his reindeer? How about permission first? Ooh. I was on class mode on more in Smash for the Wii U before, and I have to do it. I must remain doing it. Oh, heck yes. Stop! I lose. Don't blame me. How should I at least just... Nice course. Nice course. That's tall Yoshi. Ah, he eats. Wow, and you bring that up for last year, right? Yeah. By the end of last year, yeah. This is so unstoppable. It's not Donkey Dinosaur. Yoshi was what? Didn't I see Chloe do this? Now? Just now? No, seriously, didn't I see this already? Oh, wow. Hold it before I want butterfly. There we go. No, your star. No, your star. Help me! Help me! Help me! Snow Magikarp! Here. Yeah, no Magikarp. What's talking about Magikarp? What are you talking about, Magikarp? There's no Magikarp in this game. This isn't Pokemon. Oh, this was Pokemon? Then I should be playing it now. Oh, they are releasing Pokemon Snap for this Nintendo Switch. Just on Friday. That's close. I wonder what our fellow Carlos region will show up. I mean, the Carlos region starter too, hopefully, and the Pokemon too. That'll be interesting. Oh, but they haven't showed up in Pokemon Sun and Moon. I mean, especially Fennekin, Brokey, and Chespin. They haven't showed up. Yes, they appear. I know that Treecko, I know that Subtile's in there, but still, oh, 3 out of 9. I haven't had that in a while. Nice. Wait, Macy, happy fall asleep yet? I almost forgot about it. Oh. Wash me up, I swear, player. Oh, she did it. She knows She does. Macy knows what sleep is. Bye. Oh, she fell asleep. I saw that. Why is that Yoshi angry? Why is that Yoshi angry? Oh. Why? It's a terrible mistake that I've done. Wow. Oh. Make sure Yoshi's still there. Mary Lou Cow, what did the cow do to you wrong? Labrador? I'm thinking Labrador Retriever. No, I can't make it. I thought, oh, it looks like lip with a smiley face. Looks like closed eye. Oh dear. No. Oh. They all sound like squeaky toys. Okay. Uh-oh. How was he able to touch that when it fell? Oh dear. And let's go on with I love this course. Making it nighttime again.